In this video, we'll explore how to model many-to-many relationships in MongoDB. We'll be focusing on implementing these relationships using both references and embedding. A many-to-many relationship exists when multiple documents in one collection can be associated with multiple documents in another collection. For example, consider students and courses. Multiple students can enroll in multiple courses, and multiple courses can have multiple students. There are primarily two approaches to implementing many-to-many relationships in MongoDB. The first approach is using references, where we store object identification numbers. The second approach involves embedding, where we store the actual documents or part of them. Let's start with the reference-based approach. Here's an example of a student document that stores course references. Each student document contains an array of course object identification numbers, referencing the courses the student is enrolled in. For example, the courses field contains two object identification numbers. On the other hand, a course document stores student references. Each course document contains an array of student object identification numbers, referencing the students enrolled in the course. For example, the students field contains two object identification numbers. Now let's look at the embedding approach. In this approach, we embed course information directly within the student document. Instead of just storing course IDs, we include the course ID, title, and code directly within the student's courses array. Now let's explore how to query these relationships. To find all students enrolled in a specific course, identified by its object identification number, you can use the find method. To find all courses for a student, you can use the $lookup aggregation pipeline stage to join the student's collection with the courses collection based on the student's array field, matching it to the _ID field of the student's collection. This will give you an array of enrolled students for each course. Let's summarize the best practices for modeling many-to-many relationships. Use references when data changes frequently, when dealing with large related documents, and when consistency is critical. Use embedding for read-heavy workloads when working with small related data, and when the data rarely changes. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.